South Platte Renew is the third largest wastewater recovery treatment facility in the state of Colorado. We treat about 20 million gallons of water per day. And we take water from about 300,000 residents as well as some industrial facility, and then it discharge right into the South Platte River. Our goal is that we needed to maintain a high level of treatment, and the system had to be online the whole time, as well as we also try to be as most sustainable. So reduction of energy in terms of aeration and also pumping. And this is really important because we have like maximum cost limits with the energy utility, kind of like peak usage, just like a residential home does. So that's, as an industrial facility, we still see those limits. So we try to really optimize that lower usage during those peak limits. It's a sustainable effort, but it's also a financial incentive. Aviva came to our facility, did a desktop simulation where they took our historical data and proposed kind of the cost savings that we could anticipate. And that was when I think the winning over the operators really started to kick in. They were starting to see, theoretically we could save 13%, 18% of energy usage if we were just to switch a different model. Once we installed Aviva, it was really easy, actually. I think our staff, and myself included, didn't really know what to expect because it's, you don't really do anything. You just let the model run and it's adjusting on its own, which is very different from how we operate, which I think people actually ended up really liking because it let people, they could check in on the Aviva software, look that everything's in line, we're getting the treatment we need, things are adjusting, it's good to go, and then they could go and do other tasks that needed more of their time. So the Aviva technology really makes our plant much more resilient in terms of treating nutrients. So this treatment process is solely treating nitrogen and removing it. So we need a process control that constantly is looking at what's going on and adapting to what's coming into our plant. And if anything that comes into our plant that we don't know about, if someone dumps something, we need a system that responds really quickly and gets ahead of that. And the Aviva solution can adjust about 2 hours faster than any of our other process control methods we have. And that is, I think, a key element to Aviva technology and implementing something like this, because it also helps our operators kind of be more at ease in terms of what, those worst case scenarios and planning for those. Along with resiliency, it's also hitting a sustainability measure of doing all this in the most optimized kind of aeration usage. So we're treating the most with the least air and it's adjusting very quickly. Those are all the things that kind of we need in this system.